Yummy.
Seen some on the lake that I was fishing.
So you're gonna put how
Wolf
you're
cracks.
This is good.
Because I'm having issues near the tip. It's like,
You know, I actually have that too.
And if you need a refresh on your top, because I'm gonna be doing tempura shrimp. You get the potatoes.
This is the antique
the ricer. That thing
great grandma Violet's ricer.
ancient.
Your great grandma, my grandma.
Yes. So then you basically just rice the potatoes.
I'll make these cookies.
These were hard.
And I don't know, the snowflake?
Yeah.
Snowflake.
This is, what is this?
It's a bell.
A bell.
Yeah, the Christmas bells.
Okay,
I'll do it.
you do it.
Chocolates. Sprinkled, sprinkled. Mas cookies.
You want to help me with this?
Yeah.
So what gave that to me?
Christmas cookies.
You think? No.
Just can I help you?
Tired of it. I was getting tired of it.
We still have to watch.
Oh,
Wonderful Life. Watch that. That's great. It is a simple Christmas. Maybe, yeah. We should have something easy to eat.
Silo to swallow. To choke. To
Easy to
chew.
make.
easy to chew and
To chew
swallow.
or swallow.
Well, I guess soup is on the menu.
Just the water.
You gotta really remove the favorite.
Yeah. Only the, I need the pancit, ingredients.
We're gonna go to Costco tomorrow, see if they have, and if some, like,
It's gonna be,
because there's gonna be
a lot going on.
people, so like if we can have
In the morning.
all the veggies and stuff ready to go.
Ready.
Yep, in the morning. And the pork belly cut up.
Yeah. We will just make all the. We will just use all the leftover. We can make it.
Holy crap, we didn't even make that many cookies. I've been cooking since I got home.
All day. Cookie cake.
Yes.
Eating deer.
Illegal strategy for shooting deer.
What about your pets?
No.
So this is the sacred art of making lefse. You gotta get the potatoes.
And we don't use instant.
No, you can't use instant. That's
Well,
that's a
already
crime.
We actually make real.
Well, this is step one. There'll be much more on Saturday, on Sunday.
I think Dad's got the important part of measuring and folding in the butter. So it's all riced potatoes.
And every other layer you go with butter.
I have butter.
4 cups butter on the bottom, 4 cups butter, and then 4 more cups.
It's a lot of butter.
It's a lot of butter.
It's not a cup of butter. It's
Have you been mismeasuring? Is there a cup?
it's a third of a cup.
A third of a cup. I just said butter. I didn't say how much it was.
Okay. Good to know.
And we got working on a little project here. Looking good.
Good luck to you.
Decorating the box, and then we gotta wrap it up still. I don't know, some of those do work really well, but those are kind of uses. I mean, we got plenty of utensils here.
Over because he said I was driving down the middle of the road with the side by side. He said you gotta have 2 wheels.
It's about as tight as it's gonna get, though.
No, not you.
Nope, I haven't washed them yet. I haven't met.
I mean, they're getting there, so I don't know.
Yours is with bleach in the water.
Mark Michael, and that's
If this is
Hold
any
on.
good before,
Oh, which
before
one?
you do, if it needs more flour, it
Yeah.
seems kind of.
And
Sticky?
I think I got the ring back.
I might roll it.
Just to seem like it was
Yeah,
set in his
especially
foot.
that stuff feels very.
They tried to buff it out, but there was a line that went. You go till the road hits a T and then it's on the left. Super big, but it's long. It goes way, way back.
Sweet.
Need to grease the wheels.
It's so modern.
Where's your dad, Brandon?
Oh,
Watching football.
Oh, no,
I saw it.
Oh, that's how it looks.
So
Jason, get up here and do your thing. Okay.
You tell. For a couple rounds.
I got a $8,500 check. Went to school.
Bubbles.
No.
And when
Uh
Oh, no.
Already? Was the
Yep.
owner, when mine was,
It's sticky.
oh. I might have to add some more
he
flour.
was the, it was Mark Michael when I was mine.
Oh, no, we're.
Owner. And,
So that guy there.
Stern.
Uh oh. Yep. I'm gonna have to add more flour, I think.
Are we just setting them on the towel
Yeah, they
open?
bring you to
No.
the room and they show you. Yeah.
Oh, so you get these again,
Oh
Pam?
my gosh.
Yeah, so when I was there, they brought me in and they, I don't know, played it again. And,
Why did you put it on top?
Oh. See, this is.
so this one I had to get rid of.
Come here.
Heard that word before.
It's frustrating.
It was all. Yeah,
Oh, you could come on now. What are you doing? Standing there poking them?
Yeah, this is the part that I'm.
Feel confident.
yeah. So
They're gonna go.
You need to scrape off of your board.
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
hard of stuff.
Because when you get your
This
hands
one's really
gooey,
little.
It's like
when you
a
get your
vessel
hands gooey,
size.
then it gets all over everything and everything's sticky.
Taste it. Taste it and see if it's spicy. Go to Jane.
Brad, look at that 14 pointer right there.